Hi guys, since the summer is here and a lot of us are prone to getting a sunburn, so today I'd be sharing an all-natural recipe to soothe the sunburned skin. For the recipe, we first need cucumber juice. To get the juice, grate the cucumber and squeeze the juice out of it. And similarly, potato juice, grate the potato and squeeze the juice out of it. The third ingredient is clay. I'm using Fuller's Earth clay, or you could use any clay, and you can get clay from a Walmart or any beauty supply store. To make the mask, we're going to mix approximately quarter spoon of clay, quarter spoon of potato juice, and quarter spoon of cucumber juice, and also quarter spoon of yogurt. And if you have dry skin, you could also mix a couple of drops of your favorite oil, and then mix these ingredients together and apply on the sunburnt area until dry, and wash it off with cold water. Use this recipe until the skin heals, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.